Hello. To find centre of a circle the easy way. This one is 148.5. Divide that by 2 is 74.25. 0.25 of a millimetre. 0.5 a millimetre. I can't see that. So do it this way. So you're using scalar chords. So bring your point to 0. Bring your point to an easy division. Say 12. So we're going to go half, which is 6. So you put your square to half, you draw a line out, you move this to the other side, you do exactly the same. So you go from 1 or nothing to 12. You bring your square in, you come to 6, you draw your line, bob your uncle, centre found.